light of Qur'an, in the gleam of Sahih Hadith, lectures from prominent Islamic scholars, discussions on religious issues, a guide for better and exemplary life to spread the true message of Islam across every household. Watch Mercy TV. Downlink frequency, Intelsat 17 at 66.0 degrees east. Downlink frequency 3894 MHz. Symbol rate 13840 ksps. Polarization HFEC 5x6. Modulation 8 PSK DVB S2 MPEG4. To watch Mercy TV, a free-to-air channel, please contact your cable operator today. For any queries or information, feel free to call +91 86008 22601. Mercy TV, Paigam-e-Rahmat.